Yes, this is Koikimedia, and we have those that have arrived for the UEFA Champions League. How excited are you? What do you think? Okay, you speak English a little bit? Okay, cha. Okay, what do you think is going to win?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. Okay, so are you going to be in Wembley tomorrow?
Yes.
He's gonna go.
You're going to Wembley.
We need tickets.
You need ticket.
Yeah.
I go Wembley.
Okay, so London.
Yeah.
How do you feel in London today?
Cold.
Cold.
So cold.
Okay, so
but
you're
confident.
but confident.
Yeah, that's it.
So final word to all the fans around the world watching tomorrow. What do you say to them?
Hasta el final.
¡Vamos, Real!